for the other separatists, let me use the word, to describe IPOB and ESN and Boko Haram, and even the Duduwa group as well. We want dialogue. Dialogue is cheaper. Dialogue is respectful. Dialogue is accommodating. If America could talk to the Taliban in Afghanistan after so many years of fighting, if the British government could talk to the IRA in Northern Ireland after so many years of bloodletting, why can't we sit down and discuss with all these groups? And I mean, they're our brothers and sisters. They're not from the moon. You know, some of my colleagues said that they should bring back Simon Epa from Iceland. I said, no. If you think Simon Epa is the one making orders for sit at home in Southeast or encouraging the killings of people, then let's dialogue with him. It is meaningless to be asking the British, the Finnish government to bring him back to Nigeria to face trial. Look, let me tell you, even if you capture him, bring him here, and prosecute him and put him in custody, 100,000 other Simon Epas will emerge. You know, by now we should also have come to the conclusion or the recognition that you don't kill ideas through the barrels of a gun. You can't. You know? So what is it that is instigating the resentment? What are they trying to achieve? So many years ago, I went to Gulag Town in the company of my late friend Ahmed Gulag, who was killed in Imo State last year or so. And in course of that trip, I decided to just take a drive to a very beautiful vicinity. I saw the mountains behind his house. On the way, I came across some people who said they were Boko Haram. They didn't allow me to continue because they told me that that place was their territory. It is no longer part of Nigeria, that they've taken over. But I spoke to them, and we conversed in a very civilized way. They didn't hurt me. But from talking to them, I realized that they were in charge of that area. They were in charge of everything, everything about taxes, everything about government in those areas. They were in charge. But how long are we going to continue to either raid them, kill them, or they kill us? You know, why don't we talk to them? The same solution that was that stopped the killings in England in the 70s and 80s between the IRA and British government could be explored. Give them opportunities to be elected into National Assembly, for example, or to be elected into the state assemblies, where they can express themselves. They can begin to dialogue. They can begin to negotiate. We run a democratic system, so bring them on board. But most people are bent on buying arms, buying new warplanes, and bombing the hell out of those people as if they are not part of us. So we must understand the cost of war, the cost of fighting, the loss of lives, the loss of time, the huge amount of money spent in buying weapons to fight within ourselves, amongst ourselves, it is unnecessary.